How to add an email account on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can add an email account on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now basically, in order to add an email account on your iPhone, just go ahead and launch the settings app here. Once you launch the settings app, you simply need to go to an option here known as mail. So look for the mail app and then tap on it. Once you tap on mail app, you'll find the accounts option here. So tap on the accounts option. Here you'll find all the existing accounts you've added. To add a new account, just tap on add account. You can choose which email account you're trying to add: Outlook, Hotmail, Google, or whatever else. Select them and log into your account to add a new email account on iPhone. This way you can add a new email account on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.